Joe, this guy needs help with his car. I think he came from afar, like another state. I don't know, he just points at the stars. No way that he talks to Bizzare. Right in his leg. I know, what's to make it a car? I don't know, look, it caught me off guard. Looks real strange in the dark. Look, it's here at the park. Bark! What the heck are you saying? Probably speaking some Spanglish. Oh my God, it's an alien. He's a foreigner, ain't he? No, not from Mexico, Braden. He crashed his car on the pavement. Dummy, that's a spaceship.
We found the location.
Patience. Sneak in and take 'em. Retrieve the spaceship with no hesitations. Don't let the locals know that we survey them. Fight them with force as they make altercations. Good gracious, how did they make this? Go get my tool set. Here's some beer cases. Orders are nations made by aliens. Like Toyota. Dummy, that's Asian.
Got him.
What the heck are you saying? Those are government agents. Knock it off, he's a harmless Asian.
We're preventing invasion.
Woo, stop illegal immigration. Oh, right, he's here for the taking.
Stand back, we're protecting the nation.
Please, you ain't no patriot. That's enough. You're men in black, okay, so what? You may have blasters, you got the ducks, but we got the tractors, we got the trucks. You dirty bastards better give up. Chasing aliens and beating them up.
Don't defy us, we're authority.
Look, it's a trailer park, we don't give up.
What? They fixed it.
What the heck are you saying? Huh?
Thank you.
Don't let them escape you.
Hurry now, for they take you. Uncle Sam, we're ready to face you.
Activate eraser.